Hello viewers, my name is Felix Emmanuel, a mobile stockings with Phytoscience double stem cell. I'll be talking on wellness, the origin of cell. Let me start from the origin of cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. What I imply here is without cell, there is no life. It was a cell that was put together to form the connective tissues, the ligaments, and the entire body. Let's say when a male semen meets with a female egg, it forms a zygote, and this zygote began to differentiate into millions, develop into millions of cells, was able to form the brain, the heart, the bone, and the reproductive organ. Growth starts from zero. At a certain level, 24 years onwards, the growth hormones begins to deplete. At this point, the body needs a food prepared on the outside that once it is being taken, it will send a signal to the brain that growth has come again. Hence, stem cell. Now, all we had before was stem cell gotten from animal, the adult stem cell, and the one gotten from embryonic stem cell, the one gotten from the fetus or the placenta of a newborn baby. Now, this stem cell, we have been having challenges because it has always been 50-50. At times it will work, at times it will not work due to DNA. Now we have a major breakthrough in medicine, the plant stem cell, from Mibel Biochemistry, a Switzerland-based company. After the ban of stem cell was lifted by President Obama 2009. Now we have the stem cell from plant made of apple and grape. The apple, the fiber in the apple is a detoxifier, while the grape has a growth factor, the resveratrol. It contains vitamin B17, which is the high rate vitamin that destroys cancer in the body. Now, I'll be talking shortly again on the illness ravaging mankind. Let's look at our aged parents. Due to aging process, they begin to feel pains on their joints. Why? Because it is the cartilage that join bone to bone. The cartilage has worn off due to aging process. At this point, the bone is rubbing. There is a rubbing between the bone and bone. There's no amount of conventional drugs they will take at this point that can be able to grow up this cartilage. The stem cell, our product from Mibel Biochemistry, are made of stem cell technology, the double stem cell, the new face of medicine. The stem cell are undifferentiated biological cells that can differentiate into specialized cells and can divide through mitosis to produce more cells. One of their main characteristics of this double stem cell is their ability to self-renewal or multiplying while maintaining the potential to develop into other types of cells. They can become the cells of the eyes. Let's say due to dry aging process, some persons begin to use space. But if you at this point introduce the stem cell can form the cells in the eye, and the issue of the eye problem will just fade away once the person starts taking stem cell. Or those, instead of going for eye surgery for cataract, glaucoma, you just take the stem cell. The stem cell can just become any of the cells in the eye. Why you can see me and hear me is just that the cells in charge of those organs are still working perfectly. But when they begin to dis away, you begin to have issues on those areas. Or let's say the liver and the kidney are actually what God deposit in human, to remove waste. But at times, because of the kind of food we eat, the body is finding it too difficult to metabolize our food to remove the waste. You begin to find failure on the kidney, begin to find failure on the liver. The liver begin to have problem. Now the kidney remove waste. The liver also remove waste from the red blood cell. Now, if the kind of food we are taking, the body is finding it difficult to metabolize, to remove the waste, you see the liver starts having problem, or the kidney person seems not able to remove the waste. They begin to go through dialysis. At this point, the dialysis cannot answer the issue. Once you increase the numbers of stem cells in that patient body, definitely the person will come back to himself. Or cancer. What are cancer? Cancer are due to dead cell. As they die in their number, they come together, begin to differentiate, begin to grow in abnormal form. They can come out to the breast and you call it a breast cancer, or the lungs can call it a lung cancer. Now, once the patient begins to take the double stem cell, first of all, because of the growth factor on the grape, it first of all arrests these cancer organs from feeding from the body and gradually fade them away. By increasing the numbers of stem cells in the body will just assimilate and fight against the cancer. So the stem cell is actually a major breakthrough we have in medicine. It can take care of over 134 diseases. Remember, what our conventional drugs can only do is to give us a relief. What can the stem cell do? You may say, how can just one product be taking care of over 134 diseases? Remember, man is made of cells. And the cell, once the cell have problem, the person will definitely, or the human will definitely have problem. But once the cells are being corrected, once the cells are in good state, definitely the person will bounce back to himself, to itself. Stem cell research presently now in Nigeria, a product from Meba Biochemistry, Switzerland, and the major distributor is from Phytoscience, Malaysia. My name remains Mr. Felix. Thank you for listening to me. You can call me on this number 09071666491, or you visit me in my office, 24 Stallion Road, Eleleon, Port Harcourt. Thank you very much.